Lucid dreaming becomes the director of your dreams. What if you could step into your own nightly blockbuster and call the shots? Hey everyone, and welcome back to Hussain Psychology. Today we are diving into lucid dreaming. That magical state when you realize you are dreaming while you are still asleep. Imagine being able to fly, explore fantastical world, or even conquer your fears, all from the comfort of your bed. What is lucid dreaming? Lucid dreaming refers to the state where a person becomes aware that they are dreaming and can potentially control the dream's content. Research indicates lucid dreams most often occur during REM sleep, the stage in which most vivid dreaming happens and which repeats every 90 to 120 minutes throughout the night. Proven induction techniques. So how do you actually do it? Here are some proven techniques to boost your chances of becoming lucid. Number 1, reality check. Develop a habit of questioning your reality throughout the day. Pinch your hand and try breathing through it, or glance at a clock twice. This simple test carry over into your dreams, triggering lucidity when something feels off. For instance, Alex, a viewer, began doing 5 reality checks each morning and soon found himself starting in wonder as his hand passed through his face inside a dream and he realizes he is in dream. Number 2, dream journaling. Keep a notebook by your bed and jot down every detail of your dreams the moment you wake up. Every time you will notice recurring symbols like flying or being chased that you can train yourself to spot inside a dream and remember that you are dreaming. Number 3, mind is known as mnemonic induction of lucid dreams. Before you drift off, repeat a phrase like, "Next time I'm dreaming, I will remember I'm dreaming." This perspective memory cues was developed by Dr. Stephen Lieberg and has helped countless beginners achieve lucidity. Next, advanced methods. While the previous methods work well for beginners, there are some advanced techniques to improve the frequency and vividness of lucid dream. WBTB is known as wake back to bed. Set an alarm for 5 to 6 hours after you sleep. Then when you get up, you stay awake for 30 to 60 minutes and then go back to bed with the intention of lucid dreaming. When you fall back asleep, you are more likely to enter REM sleep, which is ideal for inducing lucidity. Benefits of lucidity dreaming. Lucid dreaming is not just about fun and games. It also offers some incredible benefits. Overcoming nightmares. Taking control in a nightmare can transform it into a positive experiences. Second, boosting creativity. Lucid dreams provide a sandbox for exploring new ideas and solving problems. Third, reduce anxiety. Facing your fears in a controlled dream environment can build confidence in your real life. If you found this helpful, give us a like, subscribe for more psychology insights, and don't forget to share with your loved one. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next episode of Hussain Psychology.